This is the step-by-step demonstration of how to install the GIVI SR7710 top case rack on your KTM 790 adventure bike. Before you begin, check to be sure that you have all the parts and hardware shown here. The first step is to remove all 4 existing bolts using a T45 star tool. Then insert a long spacer in the 2 rear holes and a tall spacer plus a short spacer in the front holes. Use a T6 star tool to attach the 2 brackets with long bolts in front and short bolts in back. Finally, seat the caps in place on the bolt heads with a rubber mallet. You'll need 6 bolts with washers and nuts to attach the plate to the brackets. Thread each bolt through the holes in pieces. Add the washers underneath and hold the nuts in place with a 10mm wrench as you use a number 4 Allen wrench to start the bolts. Wait until all 6 are done before tightening, as the plate can be adjusted for perfect alignment. Now that the rack is installed, notice how easily the tail bag slides onto the plate and snaps securely into place. When you're looking for the absolute best in adventure touring parts and accessories, you'll find them at GIVI USA.